Unlocking the mysteries of trigonometric ratios. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that bridges the world of geometry and algebra: trigonometric ratios. If you've ever wondered about the secrets hidden within triangles, especially right-angled ones, you're in the right place. Trigonometric ratios are not just mathematical tools. They are gateways to understanding the world around us, from the waves in the sea to the construction of bridges. So, let's unravel these mysteries together and make trigonometry your friend. Trigonometric ratios are fundamentally about relationships. They describe the relationship between the angles and sides of a right-angled triangle. There are three primary ratios we focus on: sine, sin, cosine, cos, and tangent, tan. Each of these ratios compares two sides of a right-angled triangle in a unique way, related to one of the non-right angles. Sine is the ratio of the length of the opposite side to the hypotenuse. Cosine is the ratio of the length of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse. Tangent is the ratio of the length of the opposite side to the adjacent side. Remember, the hypotenuse is the longest side of the right-angled triangle, opposite the right angle. Trigonometric ratios are crucial for various reasons. They are not just academic exercises but have practical applications in engineering, physics, astronomy, and even in everyday problem-solving, like determining the height of a tree without climbing it. These ratios help us understand circular motion, waves, and oscillations. They are the foundation for more advanced topics in mathematics and science, proving that understanding these basic ratios can open up a world of discovery and innovation. Using trigonometric ratios involves a few straightforward steps. First, identify the right-angled triangle and the angles and sides you know. Depending on what you're trying to find, an angle or a side, you'll use one of the trigonometric ratios. 1. To find a side, you need to know an angle and one side. Use the corresponding trigonometric ratio to set up an equation and solve for the unknown side. 2. To find an angle, you need to know at least two sides. Use the inverse functions of sine, cosine, or tangent to find the angle. Remember, practice makes perfect. Working through examples will help solidify your understanding of how these ratios work. We hope this exploration of trigonometric ratios has illuminated their importance and utility in not just mathematics but in understanding the world around us. Whether it's the heights of mountains or the lengths of shadows, trigonometric ratios offer a way to measure and understand our universe in a precise and mathematical way. Keep practicing, stay curious, and never stop learning. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. See you next time.